It's extraordinary. They have convinced a group of people to bust out of their double wides. Yes. Yeah. I'd put video on this cube if I could fucking show you. Busting out of their double wides, dressed as Ben Franklin, holding a kite in one hand and a key in the other, screaming, "Don't tax the rich!" If a group of people, leaders, can convince a group of folks who barely have a pot to piss in that the rich shouldn't be taxed, that is leadership.